Hi guys, today our lesson is grammar, so we will study about adjectives that compare. First, let me share with you the objectives of today. So first, we will identify the comparative and superlative form of the short adjectives. After that, we will use these adjectives to write meaningful sentences, okay? Of course, in the form of comparative and superlative. Let's start. But first, let me ask you, what do we mean by comparative? Actually, comparative is when I compare between two nouns or pronouns. It can be nouns which refer to people. It can be about places, about animals. Anyways, it should be two. So I compare them. Let us take this example. I have here two boys, Ahmed and his friend Salim. I want to compare them, so I choose to use the adjective tall. Can you think of the answer? Which one is tall? Yes. Well, we say Ahmed is taller than Salim. Ahmed is taller than Salim. So what is the form that we followed here? So I have the adjective tall. I added er. After that, I added than, taller than. Next, we said when we compare, we need the adjective plus er plus than. I repeat, the adjective plus er plus than. Let's see more examples. This boy is smarter than his brother. So you have the adjective smart, you add er, and you add than, smarter than. The second example, the cat is faster than the turtle. So here I use the adjective fast plus er plus than, faster than. The third example, my room is cleaner than your room. So the same thing, I have the adjective clean, okay? So I add er, it becomes cleaner, and I added than, cleaner than. Is that okay? So we have adjective, er, and than. Okay, this is when you have comparative. Let's see. Now, some exceptions. Well, exception 1. If the adjectives finish with y, okay, they finish with y, what should we do? We remove it, we remove that y and we replace it with I. For example, happy. Look at happy, it finishes with y. I will remove the y and it becomes I, happier. Okay, happier. Another example, lazy. So we have lazy, there is y here. I'm gonna remove it and it becomes lazier. It becomes I. Of course, I have to add er. So this is the first exception. When you have y and it becomes I. Okay, let's see the second one. So the second one, if the adjectives finish with e, okay, means they have e at the end, we add only r. For example, you have wide, look, you have e. We said wider, I added only r. Large, larger, okay? For example, he has a wider mouth, wider, okay? Next one, or exception number 3. If the adjectives finish with CVC, what does it mean, CVC? It means consonant, vowel, consonant. We just double the last consonant. For example, I have fat, F is a consonant, A is a vowel, and T is a consonant. What did I do? Fatter. So we double the last consonant, means we have double T plus ER. Slim. You have L consonant, I vowel, M consonant. So I put double M, slimmer. And you have thin, we said thinner. For example, the boy is fatter than the girl. Okay, so this is the third exception where you have to put double consonants at the end if the words finish with CVC. Okay, superlative. So superlative is when we have to use EST. So superlative is when you compare more than two. Okay, for example, I have here 3 basketball players, John, Bob, and Tom. So as I said, superlative is when you compare more than 2. What should I say? Can you think? Yes, Tom. Okay, look at him. Tom is the tallest player. The tallest player. Yes, that's correct. So what is the form that we followed? We must use the plus adjective, and this adjective takes est at the end. Okay, I repeat, we have to use the plus adjective plus est. For example, she is the smartest girl in class. The smart adjective plus est. Smartest, the smartest. My father is the richest in the family. The, you have the adjective rich, and we added est. Number 3, our house is the biggest. Same thing, I have the adjective big plus est. Don't forget that the adjective big is composed of CVC. That's why I have to put double G. Okay, now let's do some practice. So go back to the exercise that you have online and do some practice. If you don't remember the rules, go back and watch the video again. Thank you.